Hello friends, welcome back to a new episode of Fun and Learning. Today we will learn to make a cute simple fish with shapes, and then we will make a cute kit using shapes. Come, let's get started. Please use your pencils or crayons or sketch pens as we will draw together. Let's draw a circle first. Next, let's add eyes. To make eyes, we will use two circles. One small circle inside another circle like this. Now let's add mouth to the fish. We have used a heart shape. Good job, kids! Let's add the fins now. We have used triangles for making fins. Let's add the two fins and also the tail fin. Awesome! Our cute fish is now ready. Let's color the fish. Use your favorite colors. Good work, kids! Let's move to our next animal. We will draw a simple kit using shapes. First, draw a circle like this. Next, add ovals to make the eyes. Place one oval inside another like this. Let's add the ears now. We will use triangles for the ears. Let's draw the triangle and complete the ears. Okay, let's add a nose for the cat. We will use a triangle here. You can be creative and use other shapes also. Let us now complete the other body parts. Let's add the neck. We have used a triangle here for the neck. Let's draw a rectangle to represent the body portion. Let's add the legs. We used rectangles for legs. Let's give the cat a tail. We used a triangle here. Let's add whiskers for the cat and mouth. Wow! Our cat is now ready. Let's color the cat. Don't forget to share with your friends.